Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deploy the Bold Report server on Docker in minutes and create visually stunning interactive reports. First, I log into the Bold Reports accounts site. To deploy the report server, download the Docker Compose file from the site. The user's unlock key will automatically be added when downloading the file. Then deploy the report server. Once the deployment is completed, check the installation status. Open this URL in the browser, as I specified the port as 8090 in the Docker Compose file. Then click Go to Reports to open the Reports page. Here you can see some sample reports that have been added to the report server. You can create a new report. Add the necessary data source and dataset. Then add the necessary report items and assign data. Next, preview the report. You can export the report in any format you need. Finally, publish the report. You can now share this report with your community for collaboration. In this video, I have shown you how to deploy the Bold Reports server on Docker in minutes. Stay tuned to the Bold Reports channel for more videos on how to enhance your data visualization game. Thanks for watching.